What is an Arogya Setu app? Arogya Setu is an Indian open source COVID-19 contact tracing, syndromic mapping and self-assessment digital service, primarily a mobile app developed by the National Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It was launched on 2nd April 2020. The app reached more than 100 million installs in 40 days. On 26th May, amid growing privacy and security concerns, the source code of the app was made public. The stated purpose of this app is to spread awareness of COVID-19 and to connect essential COVID-19 related health services to the people of India. This app augments the initiatives of the Department of Health to contain COVID-19 and shares best practices and advisories. It is a tracking app which uses the smartphone's GPS and Bluetooth features to track the coronavirus infection. This app is an updated version of an earlier app called Corona Kavach. Features and tools. Arogya Setu has 4 sections. The first, user status, which tells the risk of getting COVID-19 for the user. The second section is self-assess, which helps the user identify COVID-19 symptoms and their risk profile. The third section is the COVID-19 updates, which gives updates on local and national COVID-19 cases. The fourth and the last section is ePass integration. If applied for ePass, it will be available. It tells how many COVID-19 positive cases are likely in a radius of 500 meter, 1 kilometer, 2 km, 5 and 10 km from the user. The app is built on a platform that can provide an application programming interface so that other computer programs, mobile applications, and web services can make use of the features and data available in Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu crossed 5 million downloads within 3 days of its launch, making it one of the most popular government apps in India. It became the world's fastest growing mobile app, beating Pokemon Go with more than 50 million installs 13 days after launching in India on 2nd April 2020. It reached 100 million installs by 13 May 2020, that is, in 40 days since its launch. In an order response on 29th April 2020, the central government made it mandatory for all employees to download the app and use it. Before starting for office, they must review their status on Arogya Setu and commute only when the app shows safe or low risk. The Union Home Ministry also said that the application is mandatory for all living in the COVID-19 containment zone. The government gave the announcement along with the nationwide lockdown extension by 2 weeks from the 4th of May with certain relaxations. To conclude, one of the ways that we can fight against the COVID-19 pandemic is by taking the initiative to download the Arogya Setu app.